Hi, I'm Dave Texter with Browne Engineering. I'm our lead plumbing engineer, and today we're going to be talking about Twin Lakes Assisted Living Facility. The building was a new construction, but the balancing valves were not completely installed where they should have been, and so we actually had to retrofit. It was a new construction build, but we had to go back in and essentially fix the project. Building was 2 stories with a lower level sort of subgrade garage. Balancing issues for this particular project were actually pretty easy to identify in the fact that there was just a lack of balancing valves of any kind installed on all the different loops. I've probably never designed a system that had this many individual loops that required so many balancing valves, other than maybe a hotel. And so we chose CircuitSolver just to help minimize the amount of individual balancing that a balancing company would have to go back in and do, sort of tweaking. CircuitSolver, being that it's an automatic balancing valve, just makes the job of balancing a system this intricate that much easier. I'm going to say 20 plus. Like I said, I don't know an exact number, but I know there, like I said, it was in the 20 plus range. Bigger time savings as far as installs really comes down to the balancing piece of it, not necessarily having to have a third-party balancer come in. This contractor basically is able to put them in, turn the system on, and the balancing valves just automatically start to balance themselves. And then after that, I hadn't heard a single thing about it, so I kind of take no news as good news. Everything always kind of comes back to the balancing contractor and the extra effort and work that they have to put into it. So either if we don't get the flow right or they don't set something right in the field, that's when it starts to become apparent, because essentially you'll start short-circuiting different areas of the building. So one portion of the building may be getting plenty of hot water, where another portion of the building may be getting robbed of hot water. CircuitSolver has always been a leader in the industry as far as automatic balancing valves go. As far as ease of purchase, ease of installation, specification, technical support, they've always sort of been on the leading edge. The ease of balancing of these valves far outweigh any benefits of a manual balancing valve. It literally is kind of like a one and done. You put these things in, you walk away, and the intelligence built within the valve balances itself, and it reacts to the system demands, the system temperatures, whereas a manual balancing valve, all you do is it controls the flow, has no intelligence built into it whatsoever as far as the temperatures that the system's seeing. And so CircuitSolver is superior, far superior.